Nowadays, few novice bands of music industry try to make hubbub that is bustle or a busy, noisy situation. So we can predict that the clangor of those clamorous songs gives people nothing but disturbance and turbulence. Tempo and cadence, as choice A and B, denote the speed at which a passage of music is or should be played, and so it cannot be a disturbance. Besides, any tranquility or repose denotes peace as given in choice D and choice E. So we can easily eliminate choice A, B, D, and E as they cannot fit the blank as correct answers. Pandemonium and Walter as choice C and choice F both mean turmoil or disturbance or turbulence. That is any tumult which reflects the prediction we have done. So the correct answers are choice C and choice F.